Shower repairs. Shower head clog. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of unclogging a shower head. Notice that the water does not come properly from the shower head. The shower head does not spray water properly. This is the problem. Probably the holes of the shower head are clogged. Let's gather the tools required for the job. Here, all we require is a wire brush. Let's start repairing. First of all, remove the shower head cap. In some cases, you might have to remove the entire shower head in order to clean it. Notice that the holes in this black cap are blocked with dirt. You are correct in diagnosing the cause of the problem. So, to remove the dirt, first wash and clean the cap. Now, with the wire brush, clean this cap. Notice that now the holes of this cap have all opened and there is no more dirt in it. Once clean, fix the cap back on the shower head. To check whether it is functioning properly, now open the stopcock and watch the spray of water from the shower head. You can see that now the shower head is sending out a good shower of water. We have successfully unclogged a shower head. Shower head leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky shower head. Notice that the water continues to flow from the shower head in spite of the fact that the stopcock is closed tightly. This is the problem. Probably the stopcock washer is worn out. Having identified the cause of the problem, now let's gather the tools required for the repair. Here, you will require a screwdriver, adjustable spanner, and hacksaw blade. Let's start repairing. At the outset, shut off the water supply to the shower by closing the ball valve. Then, we remove the knob of the stopcock. For this, first remove the cover on top of the knob with a hacksaw blade. Underneath the cover is the screw. Unscrew the screw with a screwdriver to remove the stopcock knob. This will reveal the spindle. Remove this spindle by turning it to the left side using an adjustable spanner. Now, with an adjustable spanner, remove the nut that holds the rubber washer on the spindle. Next, with the help of a hacksaw blade, remove the washer from the spindle. Notice the rubber washer is worn out. You are correct in diagnosing the cause of the problem. So now, replace the old rubber washer with a new one on the spindle. Screw back the nut onto the spindle. Tighten it with an adjustable spanner. Fix the spindle back onto the stopcock, fitting on the wall. Tighten with an adjustable spanner. put the stopcock knob back on the spindle. Attach in the screw and tighten it with a screwdriver. To check whether the shower head leak has been fixed, open the main water supply to the shower at the ball valve. Open the stopcock and then close it tightly. The shower head doesn't leak anymore. We have successfully repaired a leaky shower head. Stopcock leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky shower stopcock. Notice the stopcock is leaking drip by drip. Let's gather all the tools necessary for the repair. Here, you'll require an adjustable spanner, screwdriver, and hacksaw blade. At the outset, shut off the main water supply to the shower by closing the ball valve. Then, remove the cover of the stopcock knob with a hacksaw blade. With a screwdriver, remove the screw of the knob. This will enable you to remove the knob. Now, with an adjustable spanner, remove the spindle. Notice that in the spindle, the O-ring is missing. You have found the cause of the problem. So now, place a new O-ring into the spindle. Screw back the spindle with the O-ring onto the stopcock fitting on the wall. Tighten with an adjustable spanner. Place the knob on the spindle. Turn the screw on the knob with a screwdriver. Place the cover on top of the knob. Now, to check whether the leak has been fixed, open the main water supply to the shower by opening the ball valve. We can observe that the stopcock does not leak anymore. We have successfully repaired a leaky stopcock. Stopcock rotation. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a shower stopcock. Notice that we are unable to close the stopcock. Instead, it just keeps on rotating. This is the problem. The cause appears to be a faulty spindle. To repair this, gather the required tools: hacksaw blade, screwdriver, and adjustable spanner. Let's start repairing. At the outset, shut off the water supply to the shower by turning off the ball valve. This would have been done already, otherwise the shower would be continuously running, as we cannot close the stopcock. Then, with a hacksaw blade, remove the cover on top of the stopcock knob. This will reveal the screw. Unscrew with a screwdriver and remove the stopcock knob. Now you can clearly see the spindle. Remove this spindle with an adjustable spanner. Notice the old spindle rotates. This is because the male and female threads of the joint inside the spindle lose its alignment. So instead of pushing the spindle forward to close the stopcock opening to the shower, it keeps rotating in its place. Now notice the replacement spindle. When you turn this spindle, since the male and female threads of the joint inside the spindle are aligned, it pushes the spindle forward and the stopcock opening to the shower is closed. Thus, when you turn the stopcock to the right, this is what happens, and it closes the shower. Similarly, when you turn the stopcock to the left, it pulls the spindle backwards and the stopcock opening to the shower is released. Insert the spindle's male threads into the female threads of the stopcock fitting. Tighten with an adjustable spanner. Place the stopcock knob onto the spindle. Screw in the screw and tighten the knob. Place the cover on top of the screw. Now try closing the stopcock. It closes. It does not rotate anymore. We have fixed the problem.